So let's take a look at batching invoices. Batching invoices is basically creating a mass of invoices based on documents that need to be invoiced. And then there's a second part of finalizing those invoices. K9 breaks it down into two separate steps in case you have two people involved in that chain process. So basically the financial accounts receivable, you'll see an option over here for batch invoices and a one for batch invoice posting. And again, usually in your security hierarchy, you'll set up one user that can access one and one the other, or one user can access both. It really depends on your organization. But basically the batch invoice process, when I open this up, it'll show me all the transactions I have that are waiting to be invoiced. In this case, I have 12 entries. And I can go ahead and check the box for all of them, or I can just check several that I want to invoice. So let's go ahead and check a half a dozen over there. And I'm going to go ahead and hit process on there, and that's it. I'll get a little notification that it was from allow invoice, and it was created, and that's it. Okay, so now I only have 6 left. And these are the numbers that were created. Okay, so they're all temporary numbers because we do have to finalize them. So again, I can open each one individually and take a look at it. And if I want to finalize it, I can go ahead and create that finalization right there. Okay, in this case, there's something that prevented it from occurring. So if that happens, that's okay. There are notifications for that. Now, let's go ahead and batch those postings again. Okay, so I created those invoices. The next step I have in here is the posting. Now in this case, it's a little bit different. Again, this is our demo environment, so there's all kinds of crazy data in here. But this batch posting will basically automatically finalize those invoices. Now let's go ahead and select a few over here just to get a mixed result and see what we get over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, check those off. I'm going to hit post invoices. It's going to run its process. And again, depending on how complex it is and how many items you have in the invoices and how the structure works, it may take a little while. But that's it. Once they clear off the list, they've been posted and we're done. And that's really the batch process in a nutshell. If you have any questions, contact your implementation team.